IBP Business Networking meets. We will begin our meeting right now. Thank you members for joining today's meeting. I am Sonia Punjabi, the Vice Captain of today's meeting. Few details about IBP. Indian Business Professionals IBP started in June 2020 from Mumbai and slowly built up its network in all over India as WhatsApp Business Networking Group. Currently, IBP got its presence in Mumbai, Gujarat, Delhi, Kolkata and South India with local business owners. I am sure now everyone got a few ideas about IBP Group. Now we will start our meeting. In today's meeting will be hosted by Dr. Malahar Hina as a captain and myself Sonia Punjabi as vice captain. Now I shall tell you the details about today's meeting. The business success mantra of 5 minutes. Today's speaker is Mr. Sanjay Mathur. His topic will be how to grow your business through e-commerce. Part 2, premium members 60 seconds self-introduction about their registered business category. Our respected guests will get 30 seconds self-introduction opportunity with their registered business category in today's meeting. Next is a feature presentation of our 2 premium members of 8 minutes each. Part 4 is reference sharing and collaboration session. And part 5 is IT session. They will be on the 2nd floor terrace connected with the conference room. Good evening, I am Sonia Punjabi, Vice Captain of today's meeting, and will be presenting the chapter's performance report later part of the meeting, also educating you for the privilege of being a premium member. Now I will introduce the IBP management team members. Nikita Dedia, leadership team and discipline. Suraj Bakale, IBP News social media team.
Please clap
for them. Piyush Kar, he is a video journalist, IBP News. Ratnakar Chaudhary, referral coach, IBP Group.
Kali.
Sanjay Mathur, IBP trainer and business editor, IBP News. Sandeep Sarvankar, project operator. Also thanks to IBP founder, Mr. Subrata Chaudhary, for joining us today in this meeting and always giving us an excellent support and motivation. Over to Captain.
Thanks, Sonia. Good afternoon, everyone. Is everyone alive?
Yes.
Is everyone awake?
Yes.
You had your brunch? So please, we need to hear your claps, yeah, and applause. We're going for our next part of the meeting where we give our premium members 60 seconds, guests 30 seconds to continue the process of educating all of us on who they are, what category of business they do, how they add value to their clients' lives, and what sort of leads are they looking for from the fellow members, IBP members. Members, please present your best self-introduction to update your fellow IBP members about how they should refer you to their clients, friends and relatives. So are you all ready for your self-introduction?
Yeah.
Yes, I need a big yes.
Yes.
Great, good. More power to us, yeah? So now I'm going to be reading the premium members' names. Your premium members will get 60 seconds for self-introduction only with their registered business category. Let me specify this, yeah? Please tell your name along with serial number on Excel sheet. Accordingly, the rest members will follow. Then, we will read the guests. Yeah, the respected guests will get 30 seconds for their self-introduction. Here you can speak on your registered category. So let me start off with the first member. We have Mrs. Anu Kapoor. She's a baker and chocolatier.
Good afternoon, everyone. over 12 plus years of experience, and this is my brand Choco Ball. I have created this, so everyone has tasted it. So I take a great pride in creating the premium and exotic flavors in my cakes and chocolates. What sets me apart is that all my products are 100% chemical and preservative free, making them not only delicious but also healthy. I am also an expert in creating the healthy cakes that can be customized to suit your dietary requirement, which includes gluten-free, vegan, sugar-free, whatever your dietary requirement. Accordingly, we can customize the cake. So Christmas is around the corner, and we are ready with our Christmas goodies also. So do visit me. We've got a Christmas cake and everything. My ask is like corporates and event planners, and my give is Vasan Motors if anyone wants to connect, I can.
Thank you so much, Mr. Abhishek Agarwal, Tours and Travels, rent a car.
Good morning, all the entrepreneurs out here.
Good morning.
Good morning. I intentionally say good morning because that good morning brings that charm and that spark in the eyes. That's the reason. We are basically a one-point solution for all your travel requirements. We can take care of your tickets, visas. Today my presentation is there, so I'll not take much time of yours. I'd like to add that I'm one of our members. We have recently been to Bali with us, and I've posted his review, so you guys have already gone through that. And I'll speak about my product in the presentation. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Mr. Agarwal. Mr. Bhanu Prasad Gupta, Ayurvedic Medicine.
Good morning, guys. Good morning means good more earning of health and happiness. Myself, Bhanu Prasad Gupta, category research Ayurvedic property medicine. साथियों, हे भगवान तुम कमाल करते हो। आंखें ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट दी हैं और ख्वाब रंगीन दिखाते हो। पर रंगीन ख्वाब देखने के लिए अच्छी नींद जरूरी है। अच्छी नींद के लिए अच्छा स्वास्थ्य जरूरी है। और स्वास्थ्य अच्छा नहीं है, शुगर, थायराइड, कैंसर, किडनी फेलियर, हार्ट, ये सब आपके साथ में पूरी जिंदगी चलने वाला है। इनसे बचना है तो मेरे पास आइए। वी हैव research-based Ayurvedic property medicine certified by 18 national international certificates. We have patent technology, and we can finish your sugar, thyroid, cancer ऐसे रिजल्ट आपके यहाँ मिले हैं और बहुत सारे रिजल्ट YouTube पे अवेलेबल हैं। Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gupta. Mr. CNA Sadanand, Fire Protection and Energy.
Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. कहते हैं कि जान है तो जहान है। उस जान को बचाने का काम हम करते हैं by offering you fire protection. Fire is the most devastating incident that can happen in anybody's life, which can wipe out your lives, your properties, and your brand. We can help you protect all that at a very nominal cost. We offer fire alarm systems. We offer fire protection systems. My current clientele includes a couple of multinationals for whose industrial plants and warehouses and offices we have helped them with. And my desired ask is trustees of Billabong School, and I can connect you with the multinationals like Omyan, Evonik, Zydus Takeda, all to their maintenance department. Signing off, Sadanand Saraswati, Kratu Energy Solutions, and our tagline is Fit it for It. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sadanand. Miss Ujala Kulshestra, DNA Activator.
Good afternoon, everybody. Myself Ujala Kulshestra. I am a therapist, DNA activator, and a trainer too. Do you know, everybody, 99.99% your life comes from your ancestors, from your parents. So your money, your relationship, and your health comes from your mother, and the stability in life and the boundaries in life, which is very, very important, comes from your father. So I am organizing a free webinar on family constellation. This is the family constellation therapy, which tells you about why you are blocked in certain kind of your behavior patterns, addictions, anxiety, and depression, which is not actually yours. And it is very easy to cure with family constellation. And it's not only cure for yourself, once it is done for your coming generation as well. So this is the this family constellation therapy. So my ask is Rotary Club, Lions Club, and any kind of groups where I can give a small presentation about this one. Thank you. Stay well.
Thank you, Mrs. Dwala. Mrs. Kashmira Choksi, Diagnostic Center.
गुड इवनिंग ऑल। जैसे डॉक्टर गुप्ता ने कहा, रंगीन ख्वाब देखने के लिए स्वास्थ्य जरूरी है और आई फर्मली बिलीव व्हाट यू आर इंटरनली यू कैन अचीव एक्सटर्नली, दैट इज गुड। सो इंटरनल एग्जामिनेशन हेल्थ के लिए ब्लड टेस्ट, एक्सरे, ईसीजी जब भी जरूरत है, वी आर जस्ट अ फोन कॉल अवे। आज फर्दर प्रेजेंटेशन है, इसलिए ज़्यादा उसमें
Thank you, Mrs. Choksi. Please applaud for each and every member loudly. Yes, that's the spirit, yeah. So, Mrs. Kamal Shinde, Ayurvedic Medicines.
गुड इवनिंग सभी को नमस्ते। माई सेल्फ कमल शिंदे, हेल्थ कंसल्टेंट इन आयुर्वेदा रिसर्च बेस हेल्थ प्रोडक्ट्स। कंपनीज नेम इज धन्वंतरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर और आवर टैगलाइन इज फील गुड नेचुरली, हेल्थ इज वेल्थ। आंख में पड़ा तिनका, पैर में घुसा कांटा, रुई में दबी हुई आग, इससे ज्यादा भयानक है शरीर में छुपी हुई हमारी बीमारियां। अगर इससे इन बीमारियों से छुटकारा चाहते हो तो आप सभी उससे कनेक्ट कराएंगे, क्योंकि आप देखेंगे हमारे पास आएंगे तो ये बहुत सारी ढेर सारी यहाँ पे हमने अभी मैंने मेडिसिन रखी हुई है जो आपको इससे छुटकारा दिला सकेंगे। तो प्लीज आप कनेक्ट कराइए आपके परिवार, आपके दोस्तों से। माय स्पेसिफिक आस्क है और वी कैन हेल्प टू कीप देम हेल्दी विदाउट एनी साइड इफेक्ट। और माय लीड साइंटिस्ट मिस्टर वीपी गुप्ता जी, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, Mr. Shinde. Well, before I continue, please keep all your mobiles on silent and be attentive. Ms. Mani Iyer, Security Services, I think he's first of all your substitute.
Good evening all, मैं पराग कांबले from Vigors Security। जैसे अभी सदानंद सर ने कहा कि वो फायर अलार्म एंड फायर सिक्योरिटी इंस्टॉल करते हैं, सर्विस देते हैं, वैसे ही वो ऑपरेट करने के लिए काबिल हाथ चाहिए रहते हैं एंड वेल ट्रेन्ड मैन पावर। सो वी प्रोवाइड यू विथ वेल ट्रेन्ड सिक्योरिटी पर्सनस फॉर योर residential property, maybe a corporate office or warehouses. So my name is Parag Kamble from Vigors Security.
Thank you, Mr. Sir. Mrs. Premlata Jain, Advocate. Hello everyone. I am a property lawyer. Hello, sorry. I am a property lawyer. I ask for the day or the chairman, secretary and the treasurer from all over the society, right from the Dahisar to the South Mumbai. I represent all the societies. My core area of practice is the litigation and the non-litigation in the society matters. We do the conveyancing for inconvenience of the society, normal conveyance of the society. We do represent the societies in the before the deputy registrar or the joint registrar. We also do the all documentation work right from the buying and selling of the flats and till the conveyance. And the next thing, any transfers with respect to any government authorities, either in the MAHADA, SRA, anything with respect to the government or the non-government. Thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Prabhakaran. Ms. Urvashi Punjabi, Instagram influencer.
I am Urvashi Punjabi. I am a social influencer, and I would like to ask a question to everyone. Do you have such a page for your business?
Yes.
Yes. And if you get likes, 200 likes, 300 likes, and 1,000 views on your reels, would that be nice? Yes. Okay, contact me for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Urvashi. Mr. Raj Kumar Mehrotra, astrologer, Vastu consultant.
सभी आत्मजनों को मेरा प्रणाम। देखिए, मनुष्य का जन्म उसके हाथों में नहीं होता, मृत्यु भी उसके हाथों में नहीं होता। बीच का जीवन ग्रह नक्षत्रों के आधार पर रहता है, मगर उस जीवन को किस प्रकार से हम बेहतर तरीके से जी सकें, आनंदित रूप से रह सकें, इसमें अगर कोई कष्ट होता है उसके लिए ज्योतिष है, और उसके लिए अगर किसी को कष्ट है किसी भी प्रकार का नहीं, मैं हाजिर हूँ आपकी सेवा में। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Pandaji. Mr. Sanjay Mathur, brand marketing and e-commerce consultant.
Hello, good evening everyone, and my name is Sanjay Mathur. I have over 38 years of experience in marketing, sales, branding and e-commerce, and I actually help companies grow their business by way of marketing it right, branding it right, selling it right, and above all, putting it into e-commerce and increasing sales. So any of you yourself, friends, relatives who want to grow their business, that's my answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mathur. This is Shoma Das, ethnic Rajashu jewelry.
Good evening, members. My name is Shoma and my company name is New Land Collections. I help women of all ages from spending hours and hours shopping for jewelry, whether it is wedding, office or party. I can provide perfect jewelry match for all kinds of dresses. I have curated more than 1,000 pieces of best artificial jewelry. Being the last month of the year of this festival time, my offer for IVP members is all earrings is just 200 rupees and all necklace pieces are 300 rupees. So you can contact me post the meeting, and I apologize I'm being late because I went for my child's admission in college. Thank you so much. And my gift for the room is Mrs. Mamta Mali of Feel Good Veggies, and my ask is wedding planners or any ladies out here who would like to buy jewelry from. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Das. I think I'll be getting back to you here because we have discount you said. So thank you so much. Okay, Mr. Suraj Bakare, social media consultant.
Hi, my name is Suraj Bakle. I am the founder of Digital Coyotes. So basically, what we do is we are into social media marketing and branding. So as Urvashi helps you to grow your likes, your followers, Sanjay sir helps you to grow your marketing skills. In a similar way, we help you to grow socially and help you to grow your brand, basically. So that's it for today. My name is Suraj Bakle again from DC Coyotes. Thank you.
Thank you, Suraj. Mr. Sanjeev Savarkar, computer service engineer.
मेरा नाम संदीप सरवालकर है। मैं कंप्यूटर सर्विस इंजीनियर हूँ और लैपटॉप, डेस्कटॉप, प्रिंटर, नेटवर्किंग सब काम करता हूँ और AMC भी लेता हूँ और IPP मेंबर के लिए मैं पेशेंट डिस्काउंट देके AMC कर सकता हूँ। किसी को कॉन्टैक्ट करना। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Mr. Savarkar. Mrs. Deena Srivastava, Stoneworks, Design and Flooring.
So, good morning everyone. Good morning means वो morning वाला morning नहीं, good more early. So, my name is Deena Srivastava and my company name is Kundi Stoneworks LLC. We provide multiple stone like marble, granite and many more. We design the artifacts and presently we are working for Bharani and Parade Metro Station. It's like 98% completed. We are going to Hanover next month. So my ask is Garun Construction Pune and my give is Nidhi Dubey, owner of Rajveer Villa Vada. Thank you so much, and we are donating stone and creating a story. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mrs. Deena. Mr. Vijay Palnikar, architect.
Good afternoon everyone. As an architect, we help fulfill your business dreams. By designing your places of business, attracting more customers and operate efficiently. It may be your showrooms, offices or restaurants, any kind of place. We recommend new materials which are suitable to your requirement. We work with a penalty clause to complete your project in budget and in time. Viva Systems Mumbai office is our latest 4,000 square feet office done in 50 days. My gives Mr. Anand Kumar, country head of Viva System. My ask is CEOs of logistic companies. SAP Design Vijay Pallikar, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vijay. Before I take the other member, please all of you all take your mobile phones on silence and please do not leave the meeting. It's very inappropriate and you're disrespecting each and every member. Thank you. Okay. So we have Rashmi Mishra, Inspiring Indian Woman, NGO.
Namaste सबको और I think most of you know me, but today I'm especially here to thank Subrata for helping me out in lots of ways, connecting with people because I always look for support for our NGO to run. It's very difficult to sustain in this world and we don't have any funds, so we need all of you to come on board, sponsor our events, and also a very, very hearty welcome to all of you to our event on 8th of December in the same building at Mayor Seminar Hall, where we are having a workshop, not exactly a workshop, there are speakers who are talking about how to be independent, and the target audience is the slum ladies, but it's a very difficult task to get the slum ladies and we have to pay them to come on board and to tell them what they need to do to grow however much sustainable in terms of money, earning income, how to grow their business, how to start a business, financial freedom, all that we want to give them. And Subrata is the one-man army who has been supporting, inspiring Indian women completely. I have to say that, I got this badge, but I'm not paying him anything, and he has been putting up our videos, promoting us, and it's a great honor to be on board IBP. This is what I love about IBP, that selflessly people are here to support. I've got a lot of people from here. For example, I got 2 members as speakers from IBP. I happen to, just met Premlata, who is willing to get some slum ladies for me on the 8th, because I'm paying at least 2,000, 3,000 rupees to bring them for the auto fare and all. And she said she'll get some ladies, because we need at least 20 to 40 ladies at least to be there to hear the speakers. Because if they are not there, then what's the point of a seminar? So it's a struggle life. So please, I'm ready to promote all of you on our platform of Inspiring Indian Women, which has a target audience of about 20,000 ladies, British Indian women, because we are registered in UK and we are registered in India. I'm trying to do whatever I can to promote you. We have made some guest of honors, from all of you. Like we can make you chief guests, we can make you guest of honors, we can give you an independent style, we can promote your products, we can highlight you, we can do everything in return of little bit of support to our NGO to sustain. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Mrs. Rashmi. Now we have the guests. So the first guest is Mr. Amit Soni. He's a jeweler. He's a gold and diamond jeweler.
गुड इवनिंग। क्या आपकी वाइफ के साथ झगड़ा हो गया तो मैं आपका खास
कैसे बन सकते हैं बताओ तो सही आप।
I'm Amit from Messenger. My category is food delivery manufacturing. We are based in Zaveri Bazaar and we are into this since 1975. Our industry is full angles. We expertise in Marwari Gokurus, Pichodis, Beni Gajras, Chandrahar and Maharashtrian Tonas. We also introduce stitching sets which are lightweight and pretty unique. My gift for today is Mehir Jewelers, the specialist in diamond jewelry. My art is Spanish gold and my tagline is I have too much gold that no woman have.
Thank you so much, Mr. Amit Soni. Mr. Nilesh Amre is a waterproof specialist.
My name is Nilesh Amre. I'm the founder of Biotic Technology. Here in the world, we are focusing on waterproofing coatings and having an experience of nearly 20 years and executed projects Udaipur, Rajasthan. One is of an Indian hotel and other one is a five-star hotel called the Radiant City. And we have completed an area of nearly 60 to 70,000 of a square feet, and with that 2-in-1 combination of a system, that is waterproofing club come into this system. So please to connect us to the architects and consultants. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nilesh. Now we go on to the leadership team. So our first member is Mr. Ratnakar Chaudhary. He is a referral coach, civil engineer, and contractor.
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
I am Ratnakar Chaudhary from RB Group of Companies. We are especially into 3 R's, that is repair, rebuild and redevelop. So whatever is there in construction industry, just give us a connect. I am basically a civil engineer having more than 39 years of experience and already completed more than 800 building structures in Mumbai. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chaudhary. Ms. Nikita Dedia, overseas manpower.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, I'm Nikita Dedia. My company name is Nitro-Elect. I'm the CEO and founder of Nitro-Elect. My company basically is overseas recruitment. In overseas recruitment, there is also immigration part. We do PR for Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, and we give manpower to various countries like Gulf, Saudi, then Europe, Schengen countries. Even the EU countries like Bulgaria, Belarus and Cyprus and all, even there also we cater. Canada, USA, UK, Australia and New Zealand. These are the countries we cater with the work permit, white collar and blue collar jobs. And we have a direct connects into this industry, so we work very closely with the immigrant lawyers. So there is a no chance of getting cheated by any of the products of ours. Signing off. Signing off, Nikita Dedia, Nitro-Elect. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikita. Okay, he's a guest, Mr. Prakash Gupta. He is into corporate gifting.
Good morning, everyone. This is Prakash Gupta, founder and CEO of PNG Dry Fruits. मेरी कैटेगरी है कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग, मेरी स्पेशलिटी है ड्राई फ्रूट्स पैकेजिंग। हम अपने कस्टमर्स को अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में, प्रीमियम सेगमेंट में, विदाउट एनी आर्टिफिशियल कलर, विदाउट प्रिजर्वेटिव्स ड्राई फ्रूट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं। सो मेरी आज के डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर फॉर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट माई प्रोडक्ट्स टू रिटेलर। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Mr. Prakash. Round of applause for him. Poor thing. He was waiting and I didn't even know. So sorry about that. Yeah. Okay, so we have Sonia Punjabi. She's an insurance professional.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I'm Sonia Punjabi, an insurance professional since last 14 years. My company name is Health and Wealth Assured. A half moon looks gorgeous, but an inadequate coverage for your family does not. So get complete comprehensive coverage and no need to borrow money or take a bank loan for hospitalization if you have adequate health insurance for your family. Does a frequent visit to a doctor burn a hole in your pocket? Get OPD cover for medicines, pharmacy expenses, lab tests like diagnostics, physiotherapy expenses, all covered in OPD plan. Entry age up to 50 years. 4 reasons to take top plans for males and female entrepreneurs. Affordable premiums with limited pay options provides tax benefits. Insurance is your best friend who comes into action when you need it the most. So connect with me on a one-to-one to audit your health and life insurance plan. My name is Sumit Jain, BM of ICICI Prudential, and my ask is I'm looking to hold a health camp in corporate offices, high-rise buildings, and clubs and schools. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Punjabi.
Myself, my name is
I'm Dr. Malahat Meena. I'm a homeopath and I am into manufacturing of organic skin and hair products. So my My USP is all my ingredients, they come from abroad. And the best part is that I'm not into selling. I basically give my medicines and the products for treatment. So my products are all for treatments rather than just selling, you see. So I think I have to get this clear. I am not into selling. I am a doctor who does more of treatments, yeah. Thank you so much. So members, now all of you know about each other's products and services. Please try to meet offline and online and do maximum number of face-to-face meetings with our fellow members.